Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see about fractions. Content we are going to cover in this video: fractions, parts of fraction, representation of fraction, and types of fraction. Fraction. A fraction represents part of a whole. When something is broken up into number of parts, the fraction shows how many of those parts you have. See this picture. Part. Part is a piece of a whole. One whole circle is there and it is divided into 4 parts, in which one piece is called one part. Now we can represent fractions through picture. See the pictures given below. First picture shows the whole. Second picture is divided into 2 parts. Out of 2 parts, one part is colored in green. So, its fraction is 1 by 2. Now coming to third one. Third picture is divided into 4 parts. Out of 4 parts, how many parts are shaded? Only one part is shaded in green. So, its fraction is 1 by 4. Then coming to last one. Last picture is also divided into 4 parts. Out of 4 parts, 3 parts are shaded. So, its fraction is 3 by 4. Numerator and denominator. When writing a fraction, there are 2 main parts. What are they? First one is numerator and second one is denominator. In which numerator tells how many parts you have. The denominator tells how many parts the whole was divided into. We can represent the fraction as numerator divided by denominator. Divided by means you have to draw one line. Numerator by drawing a line and then below which you have to write denominator. For example, 1 divided by 2 and 5 divided by 8. What is meant by numerator? Numerator is the number that is above the fraction line. It is used to show a number of parts in a whole. See here, for example, 3 by 4. Here, 3 is the numerator. Denominator, it is the number below the fraction line. Below the fraction line. It is used to show the number of equal parts that the whole is divided. For example, 3 by 4. In which 4 is the denominator. Now we can see some representations of fractions such as half, quarter, 1/4, 3/4. First, half. Half is one of 2 equal parts. That is, out of one whole part, we are dividing into 2 parts. See here, one triangle is divided into how many parts? 2 parts. One is blue in color, another one is red in color. Next, one circle, purple color circle, is divided into how many parts? 2 parts. Again, one rectangle is divided into 2 parts. This is half. Quarter. Quarter is one part of 4 equal parts. See here, each picture is divided into 4 equal parts, out of which you have to consider only one part. That is, quarter can be written as 1 by 4. 1/3. One of 3 equal parts. See here, each image is divided into 3 parts, in which one part you have to consider. This can be written as 1 by 3. Now we are going to see basic 3 types of fraction. First one, proper fraction. Second one, improper fraction. And last one, mixed fraction. First, proper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is less than the denominator is called proper fraction. See here, for example, 1 by 3. Here, numerator is 1 and denominator is 3. 1 is less than 3. This is example for proper fraction. Second one, improper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is greater than or equal to its denominator is called improper fraction. For example, 4 by 3. 4 is a numerator and 3 is the denominator. 4 is greater than 3. Therefore, it is improper fraction. Last one, mixed fraction. A number that has both a whole number and a fraction. Example 1 by 3. 1 is the whole number here and 1 by 3 is a fraction. One whole number plus fraction part is called mixed number or mixed fraction. Now it's time for practice. See here, so many circles were given. See, write fraction for the given pictures. See, the first circle is divided into 4 parts. How many parts? Total number of parts? 4. So, the denominator is 4. Out of 4 parts, how many parts are shaded? Only 1 part is shaded. So, that is numerator. Now, you can write the fraction as 1 by 4. Children, similarly, you can complete the remaining sums. And one more activity for you. Create your own examples for each types of fraction, such as proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. Try as much as possible for each type. Okay? Thank you.